Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ram Bharat Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science, Krishna Engineering College, Mohan Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to start my lecture 6 on Unit 3. In this lecture, we will learn the very important topics, skewness, kurtosis and the various problems of skewness and kurtosis. Clear? The definition of skewness is very important for exam point of view. Skewness. The first question arises, what do you mean skewness? Skewness is actually the lack of symmetry. Now, before defining the skewness, first of all, we give the brief introduction about the symmetrical distribution. Clear? For a symmetrical distribution, the frequencies are symmetrically distributed about the mean. That is, the variates equidistance from the mean have equal frequencies. Clear? Also, mean, mode and median coincides, and median lies halfway between the two quartiles. Thus, the mean, mode, median are coincides. Clear? This is the curve for the symmetric distribution. Here, the frequencies are symmetrically distributed about the mean. Clear? The meaning of skewness. Clear? If the curve of the distribution is not symmetric, that means it may admit of tail on other side of the distribution. In simple words, the skewness means the lack of symmetry. The lack of symmetry occurs one side. If the lack of symmetry in this figure, the lack of symmetry is on the positive side of the axis. So, this is known as the positive skew distribution. And in the second diagram, the lack of symmetry on the left hand side. So, this is known as the negative skew distribution. The moment coefficient of skewness is given by gamma 1 is equal to under root beta 1, or put the value of beta 1 is equal to mu 3 square upon mu 2 q. So, the gamma 1 is equal to under root beta 1 becomes mu 3 upon under root mu 2 q. This is the moment coefficient of skewness. Very important formula. Clear? And the next topic is kurtosis. Kurtosis, it's measure the degree of peakness of a distribution. Clear? The kurtosis of a distribution is characterized in three types. Number first, leptokurtic curve, mesokurtic curve and platykurtic curves. Now, first we define the mesokurtic curve. A curve which is neither flat nor sharp is known as the normal curve or mesokurtic curve. The second diagram is the mesokurtic curve. Clear? Leptokurtic curve, a curve which is more sharp than the normal curve is called the leptokurtic curve. Clear? So, diagram first is the leptokurtic curve, which is more sharp than normal curve. Clear? And the platykurtic curve, a curve which is flatter than normal curve is called the platykurtic curve. The diagram third is the platykurtic curve. Clear? Measuring of the kurtosis. The measure of the kurtosis is denoted by beta 2 and defined as beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. This is the very important formula. Please remember it. If beta 2 greater than 3, then distribution is leptokurtic. And if beta 2 is equal to 3, then distribution curve is mesokurtic curve. and if beta 3 less than 3, then distribution curve is platychotic. The kurtosis of the distribution is also denoted by gamma 2, and gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3. Clear? This L, M and R comes in the alphabetically order. So, this is the short trick to remember that the kurtosis are classified in 3 categories: leptocortic, L stand for leptocortic, M stand for mesocortic and P stand for platycortic. Clear? Question first. The following table represent the heights of the batch of 100 students. Calculate skewness and kurtosis. This is the very important problem. Very important problem. Asked many times in your exam. Clear? So now we have to calculate here skewness. Skewness means gamma 1 is equal to mu 3 upon under root mu 2q, and kurtosis beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2q. So, finding the skewness and kurtosis, first of all, we have to find the values of mu 1, mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. But we cannot find directly mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4. So, we first find the value of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash. After finding the value of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash, we use the relationship between mu r and mu dash r. We find the value of mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4. After getting the value of mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4, we can easily find the value of gamma 1 and the value of beta 2. Clear? So, we have the formula for mu dash r is equal to h to the power r by n sigma f u to the power r, where h is the length of interval in x series, u is equal to x minus a upon h, and sigma f is equal to capital N. Clear? So, mu 1 dash is equal to h upon n sigma fu. Mu 2 dash is equal to h square upon n sigma fu square. Mu 3 dash hq upon n sigma fu q, and mu 4 dash h to the power 4 by capital N sigma fu to the power 4. Now, finding the value of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash, first of all, we find the column corresponding to fu, fu square, fuq, fu4. Now, we construct the table on the next page. H, the table. Clear? X is given and f is also given. The value of x is 59. Value of x is 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73 and 75. Clear? And corresponding value of the frequencies, the number of students, that means it's the frequencies, which is given 0, 2, 6, 20, 40, 20, 8, 2 and 2. This is the value of frequencies which is given in the problem. Now find sigma f. Sigma f means the value, this is the 100, this is also n. Clear? Now first we construct the table for u. U is equal to x minus a upon h. Here the value of h, here the value of h, is the length of interval in x series, which is 2. 61 minus 59 is 2, 63 minus 61 is 2, 65 minus 63 is 2. So this is 2. Clear? X minus a upon h, x as it is minus a. Here the capital is an arbitrary number. In general we take it is as a middle number from the x series. Here the number of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 67 is the middle number of this. So this is the 67, the value of is 67 divided by 2. Clear? So now construct the table corresponding to u. So, and next find the column corresponding to fu, and next find fu square, and next fu cube, and next fu4. Clear? If x is equal to 59, then u is equal to 59 minus 67 divided by 2. This is minus 8 divided by 2. This becomes minus 4. The value of u corresponding to this becomes minus 3. The value of u corresponding to 63 becomes minus 2. The value of u corresponding to 65 is minus 1. The value corresponding to 67 is 0. The value corresponding to 69 is 1. The value corresponding to 71 is 2. The value corresponding to 73 is 3. The value corresponding to 75 is 4. Clear? Now we have to find the fu product of f and u. This becomes 0. Product of 0 into minus 4, 0. The product of 2 into minus 6, minus 3 into minus 6. The product of 6 into minus 2 becomes minus 12. The product 20 into minus 1, minus 20. The product of 40 into 0, 0. The product of 20 into 1, 20. The product of 8 into 2, 16. Product of 2 into 3, 6. The product of 2 into 4, 8. Now find the summation sigma fu. The value of sigma fu with the help of the calci becomes 12. Clear? Now find the value of fu square. Fu square means product of, this is the column, this is the suppose this is the column first, this is the column second, this is the column third, this is the column 4, this is the column 5, this is the column 6, this is the column 7. Clear? The value of fu, fu means product of f into u. This was the product of column 2 into column 3, and column 5 fu square. Fu square means the value of fu, we have already have the value of fu, and product of u. This can be find the product of fu into u. So this is the product of column 3 into 4, column 4. So this becomes, the value of fu is 0, the value of u is this, so this becomes 0, fu. The value of the product of minus 3 into minus 6 becomes 18. Value of the product of minus 2 and minus 12 becomes 24. The product of minus 1 into minus 20 becomes 20. 0. 1 into 2, 20. 2 into 16, 32. 3 into 6 into 18. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. And find the summation fu square. This becomes fu square 164. FUQ. FUQ means fu square, product of fu square into u. That means product of 3 and 5th column. Product of 3 and 5th column. Clear? So, the product of minus 4 into 0, 0. The product of minus 3 into 16, minus 3 into 16, minus 54. Product of minus 2 into 24 becomes 2 into 24 becomes minus 48. The product of minus 1 into 20 becomes minus 20. Product of 0 into 0, 0. The product of 1 into 20, 20. The product of 2 into 32, 64. The product of 3 into 18, 54. The product of 4 into 32, 128. The sigma FUQ becomes 144. Find it with the help of the calci. Clear? Again, FU4. FU4 means FUQ into U. This becomes FU4. That will reach the product of column 6 into column 3. Right? So now find the product of column 3rd and column 6. So this becomes minus 4. Product of minus 4 into 0 becomes 0. 3 minus 3 into minus 54 becomes 162. Similarly, find the product of minus 2 into minus 48 becomes 96. Minus 1 into 20 becomes 20. 0 into 0 becomes 0. 1 into 20 becomes 20. 2 into 64 becomes 128. So the 54 into 3 becomes 162, and product 4 into 128 becomes 512. Now find the sigma FU4. This becomes 1100. Clear? Now find the mu1. Mu1 dash is equal to h upon n sigma FU. H is 2 upon n 100 into sigma FU 12. So this becomes 0.24. Clear? mu 2 dash h square by n sigma f u square 2 square by 100 into sigma f u square is 164. So this becomes 6.56. Clear? And mu 3 dash is equal to h q by n sigma f u q 2q by n 100 into sigma f u q 144 is equal to 11.52. Clear? And mu 4 dash is equal to h to the power 4 by n sigma f u 4 h to the power 4 यानी 2 to the power 4 upon n is 100 into sigma f u is 111. Clear? So this becomes 176. Now we have the value of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash. Now find the value of mu 1. Mu 1 is equal to 0, mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. This the value, put the value of mu 2 dash, mu 1 dash. So we get the value of this is 5024. Clear? And the value of mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash q. So put this value, we get the value of mu 3 is 6.8244 and value of mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash to the power 4. So this becomes 167.1596. Skewness. The coefficient of skewness is given by gamma is equal to mu 3 upon under root mu 2 q. Now put this value, mu 3 is 6.8244 upon the value of mu 2 q. Mu 2 is 6.5024 whole cube. We get 0.4116, which is positive skewed. Clear? And kurtosis beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. The value of mu 4 is 167.1596 divided by mu 2 square 5024 square. The value of this is 3.9535. The value of beta is greater than 3. So the given distribution is leptocortic. Clear? Now question number 2. This is the very important problem. This is the question without table. The first 4 movements of distribution about the number x is equal to 4 are 1, 4, 10, 45. Obtain the various characteristics of the distribution on the basis of given information. That means on the given information we have to find the value of mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4. And after finding the value of mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, we are able to find the value of skewness and kurtosis, because the formula of skewness and kurtosis is based on the movements about the mean. Clear? Again, comment upon the nature of the distribution. In this problem, we have capital A is equal to 4, arbitrary number. The movements about an arbitrary number are given. That means these are the value of mu1 dash is 1, mu2 dash is 4, mu3 dash is 10, mu4 dash is 45. So now find the movements about the mean. The mu1 is always 0. The value of mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Put the value of mu2 dash, mu1 dash, we get the value of mu2 is 3. And the value of mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash into mu1 dash square plus 2 mu1 dash to the power whole power 3. Put this value mu1 dash, mu2 dash in the equation, we get the value of mu3 is equal to 0. Clear? And the value of mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash into mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash to the power 4. Put this value mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu4 dash in this equation, we get the value of mu4 is equal to 26. Clear? So skewness, the moments coefficient of skewness gamma 1 is equal to mu3 upon mu2 square. The mu3 is equal to 0. So the skewness gamma 1 is equal to 0. That means the curve have no skewness. That means the curve is the symmetrical. Clear? The distribution is symmetrical. Clear? The distribution is symmetrical. Again, and the coefficient of kurtosis beta 2 mu4 upon mu2 square. The value of mu4 26, mu2, the value of mu2 is 3, mu2 square 9. So this becomes, this is less than 3. So the given distribution is platychortic. Platychortic. Clear? The distribution platychortic. This is also most important problem. In this problem, compute the moments coefficient of skewness, the following distribution. Here in the distribution, the value of x is not given, but classes of interval is given. Now we find the value of x, lower limit of the class plus upper limit of the class upon divide by 2. The value of x, find the formula. Clear? Again the procedure the same in the problem. We first of all we find mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash. After finding the value of mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash, we use the relation between mu r and mu dash r. Find the value of mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4 and find the value of skewness and kurtosis. Clear? So first we know that mu dash r is equal to h to the power r by n sigma f u r, where u is equal to x minus a upon h and capital N is equal to sigma f. Clear? So we construct a table. So first we find the mu1. Mu1 means sigma, h upon n sigma fu. Mu2 dash means h square by n sigma fu square. Mu3 dash is equal to hq by n sigma fuq. Clear? The classes is given here 2.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 12.5, 12.5 to 17.5, 17.5 to 12 to 2.5, 22.5 to 27.5, 27.5 to 32.5, 32.5 to 37.5. So find the value of x. The value of x is the midpoint of this class interval. How can find the midpoint? The midpoint can be found by taking the average of upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit 2.5 plus lower limit 7.5 divided by 2. So this becomes 5. Again similarly 7.5 plus 12 divided by 2 is 10. 12.5 plus 17.5 divided by 2 is 15. 17.5 plus 22.5 divided by 2 is 10. Take the average of 22.5 and 27.5, we get 25. Take the average 27.5 and 32.5, we get 30. Take the average of 32.5 and 37.5, we get 35. The value of x is clear, and the value of f is given 8, 12, 20, 32, 23, 17, 5. Now find the sigma f with the help of the calculation, which is 120. Now we find the value of u, x minus, the u is x minus a upon h. H is the length of interval. H is the length of interval in x series. So this is 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10 is 5, 20 minus 15 is 5. So this is 5. What is a? Here the number of data given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of data given in odd. So there is only middle term. Middle term here is 20, which is the arbitrary number. In general we take middle term. Take a as a middle term. Clear? So u is equal to x minus 20 upon 5. So find the value of u corresponding to the value of x is equal to 5. So 5 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes minus 3. 10 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes minus 2. 15 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes minus 1. 20 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes 0. 25 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes 1. 30 minus 30 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes 2. 35 minus 20 divided by 5 becomes 3. So we can easily find the value of u. Now find the fu. Fu means the product of f into product of u, minus 23. Clear? The product of 8 into minus 3 becomes minus 24. The product of 15 into minus 2 becomes minus 30. The product of 20 into minus 1 becomes minus 20. The product of 32 becomes 32 into 0 becomes 0. The product 23 into 1 becomes 23. The product of 17 into 2 becomes 34. The product of 5 into 3 becomes 15. Now find the summation sigma fu with the help of the calculation, which becomes minus 2. Clear? Now find the fu square. Fu square, the product of fu into u. Fu into u. The fu is minus 24 and u is minus 3. So product of minus 3 into minus 24 becomes 72. The product of minus 2 and minus 30 becomes 60. The product of minus 1 into minus 20 becomes 20. And product of 0 into 0 becomes 0. The product of 1 into 23 becomes 23. The product of 2 into 34 becomes 68. The product of 3 into 15 becomes 45. Now find the sigma fu square, which is 288 with the help of the calculation. Clear? Again fuq means the product of fu square into u. The product of fu this and u is this. The product of minus 3 into 72 becomes minus 216. The product of 60 into minus 2 becomes minus 120. The product of 20 into minus 1 becomes minus 20. The product of 0 into 0 becomes 0. Clear? The product of 23 into 1 becomes 23. Clear? The product of 68 into 2 becomes 136. The product of 3 into 45 becomes 135. And find the summation sigma f u cube with the help of the calci, which becomes minus 62. Clear? Now we have put the value of mu 1 dash h sigma f u upon n. This becomes minus 0.083. The mu 2 dash is h square by n sigma f u cube. This becomes, put the value of sigma f u square divided by n. So this becomes 60, and value of mu 3 dash is equal to h square sigma f u cube upon n. Put this value, we get the value of mu 3 dash is equal to minus 64.583. So we have mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. Put this value and we get the value of mu 2 is equal to 59.993, and the value of mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash to whole power cube. Put this value, we get the value of mu 3 is equal to minus 49.644. Moment's coefficient of skewness gamma 1 is equal to mu 3 upon under root mu 2 cube. Put this value, we get the gamma 1 is equal to minus 0.1080, which is negative skewed. I hope you understand very well these problems. These 3 problems are very important problem for exam point of view. Okay, thank you.